what are they doing at this moment. As you can see, there are a lot of people behind me. They are gathering gradually and they are entering the beautiful moment. The moment is really astonishing and charming for us. I'm really overwhelmed. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Right now I'm standing in front of the elephant, and as you can see over there behind me, there are two elephants. It is a really amazing moment for me and for all of people. They are eating. How is it possible? It is possible for only the elephant. I'm gonna show you the exit view of behind me. There are a lot of people gathering to enter the moment to see the what are they doing at this moment. Okay, so my dear viewers, those who are watching my videos, I think you will really enjoy the moment. Actually, I want to show you the exit view. Okay, you can see there is my nephew Mohammed. Come here. How are you, Mohammed? How are you? Okay, what's your name? Speak loudly, speak loudly. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad.
What class do you read in?
Second class.
Say something little bit louder. Okay, what class do you read in?
Second class too.
That's good. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? Okay, you will also enjoy the moment, okay? So dear viewers, as you can see, there are a lot of people behind me. They are gathering gradually and they are entering the beautiful moment. The moment is really astonishing and charming for us. I'm really overwhelmed. The beautiful scenario, okay? And children are not fair to see. They are casually go near the elephant. And as you can see, there are a lot of people coming for see the elephant. People are talking many things about the elephant. If you give anything, then they are easily having it. So it is a really amazing things. Now I am speaking English and there are a lot of people, they are laughing, look at me. So it doesn't matter, okay? And I can assure that if you want to improve your speaking English, then you have to practice any kind of situation. There is no alternative way without practicing English to improve your English. Okay, now I'm speaking, there are a lot of people, you can see behind me, there are children and people are look at me and are laughing, look at me. So it doesn't matter. The matter is I'm practicing, I want to improve my spoken English. This is the matter, and I want to show you the exit view. So dear viewers, I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim English Care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.